What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Teach Freedom, and today I'm showing you the parts that we just got in the mail for this 40 right here. So right over here we have front rack, radiator bracket, and all the bolts and seals and stuff in there. So we're going to be installing these in the next video, and we still have one more front fender to come. I can show you over here. We have this whole front fender is destroyed right here. Got to replace that, so that's coming in the mail still. Stay tuned, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching.